first part of our first section goes D, G, 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 A, G. D's and G's are just our open strings, so D string and our G string. And then for that A, we just put our finger down on that second fret. So it would sound like this. D, G, 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 A, G. Let's play it together. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant, and we do that 2 times in a row. So now let's try that twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Okay, well done. So that's the first bit. It's quite simple. The next bit uses our higher string, so we need to get on the B string first. B, B, B. Copy that back. B, B, B. B, B, B. B, B, B. So we need to go B, 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 C. Add in the next note. B, 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 C. Join in. B, 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 C. So after the C, we need to add an A. So it's B, 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 C, A. So that's quite tricky going from C to our A, which is 2nd fret on the G string. B, 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 C, A. And then we've got an open B. B, 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 C, A, B. Let's try that again. And then G, 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 A, G. So with a pattern again that comes back. G, 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 A, G. So if we put those 2 phrases together from the open B, 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 C, A, B, G, 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 A, G. So our section 2 involves a bit of call and response. Firstly, we have to listen to the call. Babethandaza. Someone will be playing that, and then we play G, G, A, G. Okay, so we'll go Babethandaza. And again, listen, da 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 da. And that's it. That's the first half of section 2. And then the second half of section 2 is just the same as our second half of section 1, which happened on the B string. Remember? So we went B, 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 C, A, B, 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 C, A, B, and then G, 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 A, G, and then we do it twice. B, 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 C, A, B, G, 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 A, G, B, 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 C, A, B, G, 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 A, G. So now we've learnt section 1 and section 2, it's time we put both of those together now with the backing track. This is a slightly slower version, just while we get used to it. You'll hear a counting that goes 1, 2, let's play, 1, 2, 3. We come in after the 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, let's play, 1, 2, 3.
Well done!
So, when you decide to record your performance, there's a few things that we need you to do. If you know how to make sure that your instrument is in tune, please try and tune it before you record yourself. You can always get an adult to help you, but do not worry if you're not sure how to do this, as that is absolutely fine. When you begin to record your performance, it's really important that you use headphones to listen to the backing track, and then record yourself playing along on another device like a phone, a tablet, or maybe a laptop. We want to hear your amazing playing and not the backing track. So remember to play nice and confidently and make sure that the backing track is coming through your headphones. When the backing track begins, you will hear 4 bars of click, before the music starts. On the third bar, you'll hear Matt say, "Let's play." Please make sure that you say this nice and loud and in time with the backing track. This helps us to make sure that all the videos are synced up together nicely. Most importantly, an adult at home will need to give permission for your video to be uploaded. We'll show a short statement later in the video and they will need to read it out on camera at the end of your performance. Please ask an adult to say the statement to the camera when you finish playing. At the end of this lesson, we will show the email address that you need to send your recording to, but please remember there must be an adult reading out the permission statement at the end of your video. Lastly, just smile and enjoy yourself. If you need to miss a few notes out, this is absolutely fine. Just try your best. Good luck.
The final playthrough of Babethandaza is quite a lot faster. So practice at this tempo first a few times and only record when you feel ready and you're confident.
1, 2,
Let's play.
1, 2, 3.